Top of the morning, real fam. So what's on my mind this morning is that you and I will be doing 100 skips together. So what you want to do is to make sure that you stretch your body nice and easy. Make sure that your breathing is on point so that when you start, you are good to go. This video aims to encourage you to not give up on that body. Do the best that you can. Don't give up on yourself. Make sure that you take care of this body. Work out as much as you can. No pressure whatsoever. Just do what you can. So let's go. If this encouraged you to do your 100 skips, well done, real fam. So let me tell you a few benefits of skipping. So if you are a runner like myself, you enjoy jogging, doing marathons, you'll be glad to know that skipping can help increase your speed. Okay, I run like your 21 kilometers, so this really helps to increase my speed. Number two, real fam, if you suffer from anxiety, skipping can help you to ease that anxiety. This will help you to just relax your mind. As you can see, sis is dancing right there. That's me. Listen, I can never do anything and not dance. I can run 21 kilometers and dance. Azaga, zaga, zaga, zaga. All right, real fam. Now that we're done with skipping, we're moving on to jumping jacks. So real fam, we are done with our 100 skips and 50 jumping jacks. Now we're gonna stretch. It's very important for you to stretch after doing a workout. So on this day, I ran for 30 minutes and did my skipping and jumping jacks. And of course, I did some squats. So I needed to make sure that I stretch. So, some of the benefits of stretching, real fam. Number one, it decreases your risk of getting injuries. Number two, it increases your muscle blood flow. So, that will really help your blood flow nicely. It also improves your performance in physical activities. So, meaning as you stretch, you actually enable your body to have more flexibility to do more. It also improves your ability to do daily activities. So you won't feel like, ish, I'm in pain all the time. So yeah, those are some of the benefits. Thank you so much for watching, Real Fam. I love and appreciate you. Do remember to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Please save it for later so that you get to do this exercises next time. Thank you. Love you lots. Take care. Mwah.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.